Hi guys, this is Arun from YouTube. Today we are talking about that Mars. That's fourth planet of our Earth. It's the second smallest planet of our solar system. Also, we are planning to live in Mars in future. I will tell about that some details of Mars, and within I will make this video and talk about in Mars in at least two or three videos. First, it's iron oxide. It has its surface as a mostly iron oxide. That's why it's visiting only orange and reddish color. Some parts of Mars is visible in dark color and some visible in white color. But I will tell you explain the in the period 1960s before they thought that it's a dark color is to become the Amazon forest like and no sorry ocean like places. White color things became the desert like price. They thought that in the our astronomer, but after the Mariner 9 shows us to clear picture. That makes our clears our thoughts. It's a failure one. It's not true. It's a master set desert place, total terrace plates, and it's a moon like outer surface of moon like structure. I detailed this and told out the mostly Mars as a volcanoes and canyons, deserts and polar ice and many things are present there. Mostly Mount Olympus is present in their Mars. It's a biggest one and the Mariner for launched that. I started that before. What I told now. Um, Aphelion of Mars is 1.6 astronomical unit. Perihelion of Mars is 1.38 astronomical unit. It has two satellites, Phobos and the Anus, Deimos. Orbit it takes at least it orbits Sun 24 kilometers per second. It has mostly CO2. Now I am showing that detailing physical characters and structures of Mars in this video. Atmosphere is mostly minus 153 to at most 35 degrees Celsius came. Atmosphere temperature. Synodic period of Mars is 779 days. It came Earth, Mars, Sun came the same line. Satellites, it Phobos, Deimos. Volumes, we put it's a 0.151 Earth's volume only. Mass is also same 0.28 Earth mass was density also sorry surface the 1.284 earth mass 0.107 mass only, and escape velocity of Mars is 5 kilometer per second. Axial tilt is 25 degrees Celsius it tilted. Solar years it get 1.8 years it get our Earth years compared to get 1.8 years to rotate orbit once in press. Solar day 24 hours 0.6 hours. Now the came to the almost half of the diameter is half of the Earth or twice of the Moon diameter. Mostly 60% of subject is attracted by the craters, diameters. The 4 billion years ago, magnetism is also destroyed. Geological history we told about that how the three name. First one Neocline, next Hesperian. Neocline is 4.5 to 3.5 billion years ago. Mars has the largest crater impacts and liquid lava flowing in through the lava. Not on liquid flow lava night. On the time there is a heavy water oceans flowing through the Mars. After the years, it's destroyed by the destroyed. Experience period, Mars is 3.5 to 3.3 billion years ago. It has a plain lava flowing through the that period of time. The mount that period of time, I think Mount Olympus may be created. Amazonian, sorry, Amazonian period 2.3.3 to 2.9. There is some place of Mount Olympus that will created, and that after the elsewhere place of the mountain is mostly lavas flowing through the Mars surface. Mm. And that mostly sharply we told about 15% of mass volume. We put the 15% of earth particles to put in the Mars plus 11% of mass, 38% of the earth surface only it has masses. Mm, Mars has iron oxides, ions mean nickel, and mostly what they are. mm, Greenish color. It's color, different types of colors we can see in Mars also. Green, yellow, gold, and many of the colors we can see in the Mars also. mm, mm. Crust. mm, Crust silicon oxide. Crust Mars crust has a silicon oxygen and iron also found, and magnesium, calcium, aluminum, phosphorus also present in that. Mostly seismic activity also presented in the 2019 insights. 2019 insight recorded that around 450 Mars works. The core of the Mars is almost iron, nickel, and some of the iron, nickel, some silicon, some of the minerals also present there. Half of the core may be molten situations, and may have a solid inner core also. In the 2000, I don't know that. 2025 inner site. Insight also reported that there is around 600 kilometers inner core also present there. Mm, mm, mm. Mars core has half of the radius of the core particles, around 1600 kilometer. Its its core is wide width. The core situation sulfur, oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen are present there. Mostly in the core temperature is 2000 degrees Celsius to 2000 Kelvin to 2400 Kelvin. And compared to our Earth, Earth has 5000 degree Kelvins. The next one is what that Mars. First mapped it. First 1830s. First only Mars mapped. After that, Mariner 9 gives a clear maps of Mars. 1830, our astronomers make the map, but generally they take 10 years to make the map of Mars. Mostly upland of Mars is mostly in the Therius period. Mostly they have volcanic flowings are going there, and that Mount Olympus is around 600 kilometer with 21 kilometer height, is three times higher than our Mount Everest. It's the largest mountain or in our solar system. It's an normal mountain. It's a volcanic mountain. Okay, today video is over. I will continue to the same master topic in the next video. Bye bye. See you. This is Avram from YouTube.